What's up guys, it's Kashi and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of Bekonscot. My dad gave me a surprise and we are here at Bekonscot. I'm going to be giving you a tour. And it says we're going to be exploring model, villages and railway. It says Bekonscot, the world's oldest original model village. I'm so excited. Come on, let's take a look inside. So guys, I'm so excited right now because right now we're going to go on this miniature train. Guys, come on, I'm at the front seat. Come join me. So guys, we just finished the train ride. That was so much fun, and now we're seeing the modern villages. It's so big and they're so cute. So guys, as you can see here, there's like this kitchens and bathrooms store. Find your nearest kitchen or bathroom showroom online www.gskb.co.uk. Find on this website here. Comment down below if you found it. Guys, this is so cool. It actually moves. It's a door. And there's a pond here. Bakery here. Little cake, chocolate bars. Look, there's a little fun friend. The rides are actually moving. That's so cool. Look, there's actually smoke coming out of that house. Oh, look, it's burnt down.
Look, Lilia.
There's a fire brigade. There's a really long ladder. I've never seen a ladder that long before. There's a person up there trying to stop the fire. And there's two fire brigades down there.
Right. Is this stay with us?
Isn't that cool?
But don't run off. Okay?
Guys, look, it's like W.H. Smith, but it's W.H. Watersmith. In books. Stand still. Rosebank. Oh, it's a village with furniture. That's cool. Candlestick maker. That's cool. A bakery. Ooh, there's some bread. You can see that. That's actually really cool. Wow, guys, look. It's like we're in a castle. Carefully. You can actually see the things inside. It's so cool. There's a man right there.
Yeah, look, there it is, up there.
So guys, as you can see, there's a park here, and if you can see, the seesaw moves and the swing. It's actually quite cool. The roundabout moved earlier. I'm sure it does move. So guys, the funniest thing is, because this house lives so close to the edge, some bricks are falling down here. And it's broken there. And the funniest thing is, if you can see, the man is on the toilet. So guys, if you play Animal Crossing, comment down below if this museum looks like a museum in Animal Crossing if you play it. So guys, here, this is like probably the best part because it's like a circus, and as you can see here, the things are actually moving. There's like horses and people are doing like tricks on the horses, and if you can see, there's people up there doing like things on the bars, and some people are doing this and the rest are just watching. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video on my channel. Bye!